What's happening, guys? It is the second week of February and we're already starting to get really serious about the spring push, right, for window cleaning. Check out these new pullovers that I got for the whole crew. Pretty stoked about these. They feel good. Underneath, I'm sporting the polo. And then my guys, I got them all new tees. So we're out there, we're cleaning. I want to talk to you today about kind of that step, right? For years, I was a solopreneur. I was scared to take the step, wasn't sure how to do it, all that kind of stuff, right? Was nervous on whether it was actually going to continue to make me more money or not, whatever. But I have taken the step over the last 8 months and really begin to relinquish some of the things that I feel like were holding me back from growing. And so let me talk to you about that. So if you're just about to make the jump and you're just starting to transition maybe out of your job into running your business full time, then yeah, there's going to be a little bit of time where you want to be in the field, you want to learn the skill, you want to know what you're doing, you want to build that brand with your customers. But I waited 4 years to start really hiring out and getting myself in the field less. And I don't know if you need to wait that long. There was a couple different reasons I waited. First of all, yeah, you're just a little nervous. Like, hey, are they going to do as good a job as I have been doing? Are they going to care as much as me? All that kind of stuff. And the answer is, I mean, of course, to a certain degree, no, right? Because you're the owner. It's your baby. You've started it from birth and you've been nurturing it up. But the thing that I have learned is my guys do care. I hired the right guys and they care and they put good effort into the actual task. They're incredible with my customers. And I literally get texts from customers saying things like, man, Jordan and Elijah, like great young men. They're doing a great job for you. Really thankful for what you guys are doing when you come and service our homes. And so those kind of things remind me that like, okay, what was I so afraid of, right? So as long as you keep pouring into it and leading your business like a business owner, which for so long I was kind of just doing it as a glorious side hustle, right? And so now as I see it, hey, I'm the business owner, I'm growing this business, you still pour into it and you lead them and you guide them, and you're not going to have as many of the problems or fears that come up as you maybe thought you would, right? So right now, I am literally getting to the place where I'm 80-90% out of the field. They're cleaning one of our major commercial contracts right now. February is looking good for us. The goal for me was about 15K for February because it's a season where we could have some snow or ice or whatever. And because it's a commercial contracts, we're at a place where about just 2,000 away from hitting that goal. And then I just want to keep it going up in the following months here in spring. And because of that, because of hiring guys out, I'm able to do things that a business owner does to make sure we can continue to get leads, get jobs, and get business moving, flowing well. So let me talk to you about a couple of things that I'm able to do, because that was a little bit of like, man, what do I do once I'm not actually cleaning glass, right? So let me talk about a handful of things that I'm doing to continue to grow the business and make sure the business is where it needs to be as we continue to scale. Number one is I'm locking in our CRM systems, and it's giving me a lot of freedom. Now that I have guys out there doing the task at a high level, I've got the time to really create the systems within our CRM that are moving us along and saving me a lot of time, keeping more money in my pocket, and making sure we capitalize on the leads that we're getting. So my CRM is my customer relationship management software, and I use Jobber. I talk about Jobber all the time. I love it. It's something that's really helpful because I believe strongly in the James Clear quote that says you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems, right? So what Jobber has done for me is cuts out a lot of the noise that I used to feel in my business, whether it was my business phone getting text and calls, my personal phone getting text and calls, getting a weird lead through maybe just like my website and then some kind of other way through an email. And I had all these leads all over the place that really, it just didn't feel organized. It didn't seem streamlined. And now with Jobber, I've got a very clear lead kind of organization system ready to go, okay? So I have a link that's embedded in my website, or when somebody calls me on my phone, I usually text it to them because I'm either driving or I'm on a job. And so again, I still try to eliminate some of the friction, but I just say, hey, best thing you can do is fill out this link. And because when they do, it goes right into my Jobber, creates their customer profile as a lead. I can go out, I can quote their home or their business business and then begin to automate a lot of the things after that, right? Whether that's the quotes that get sent to them and is reminded to them every couple of days. Once they approve it, then I'm able to go ahead and put that into our calendar. I can then schedule my guys so they're able to see like, hey, here's our jobs for tomorrow. They can clock in and clock out right there, and they have their maps in there. So it's like really, really helpful on the side of like, I'm not sending out all these texts to my guys. I'm not trying to send emails to other people. Like, it's very concise, very focused, helps me make sure that as soon as we get a lead that comes in, we're able to check the boxes, right? Get them quoted, get it sent over to them, and then receive payments through them, which is huge because for a long time, that was the struggle. But the piece right there is making sure that my business gets really organized and really streamlined. And so I love it because making sure that, man, A, am I capitalizing on leads? B, am I making sure that I'm getting paid for jobs we're doing? It's all in Jobber, and I would be lost without them. I was using Excel spreadsheets, I was using Google Forms, I was using phone notes. Now it's all in one place. Really simple, and I think if you're trying to grow your business and make more money in 2026, it's something you need to consider. So my call to you is try it for free. You can try it for free for 14 days in my link. You know that I wouldn't preach about it unless I absolutely believed in it, which I do. I use it every day. My guys use it every day now, and it's the best way to communicate with my customers and have the back door of my business really organized and streamlined. So if you want more freedom, more money, more growth in 2026, give it a try. 14 days free. Link is in the description. Now that I have guys that I trust out there in the field getting jobs done, I'm able to focus on two major things besides just my CRM systems. And that is one, making sure all my equipment is ready to go for the spring, right? A lot of times when it was just me, solopreneur in it, I mean, like I was just playing catch up all the time, having to make sure everything was kind of ready the day of. Now I can know like, hey, next week we got a job where we need this water system and that water system, and I can spend the time I need making sure that I got our equipment ready. We have enough squeegee rubbers, we have enough, towels, we have enough soap, all those types of things where I am ready to go. They're ready to go. I'm setting them up for success. And so like, it's not just shooting from the hip anymore. It's making sure that, hey, the truck is full of gas and I've got all the equipment in there, that our toolbox is ready to go. And so that's just another thing as a business owner that I get to focus on now to make sure that I'm creating an atmosphere for our business for success. They get to the job, it's not like, oh, we don't have what we need. No. Everything's in the truck, all the equipment's ready. And so those are the things I'm focusing on right there. Thirdly is marketing. I'm able to go back. I'm able to start designing our door hangers, designing our new A-frame signs that we're going to be getting because our reviews are growing. So I got to get that replaced, right? Figuring out with Wyatt at Evovleagency, working with him, figuring out what kind of commercials we want to run for our Facebook ads and how much financially we want to allocate towards, Google leads and things like that. And so now I'm free during the day to make sure I'm focusing on that, which is huge in lead generation, right? Just making sure we're getting our yard signs, our door hangers, all the things to actually, pump up business. I'm able to focus a little bit more towards social media, which for us has been kind of lacking, and so I really want to step that up this spring. And so for my Streakers page, just kind of locally letting people know like, hey, we're out here, we're working, we're doing things. And so I now have the time to be able to focus on the things that are going to create more financial growth for our business. And then this is huge when it comes to actually capitalizing on your leads and generating more jobs, closed jobs, and more income for the business is during the day I can be out quoting. I can do all those things I just talked about, and then I can use Jobber when I'm out at a quote site, quoting, send that over to a customer right away. We're ready to go, right? And so those are pieces of the puzzle that for a long time I was a little nervous about kind of stepping into, but as I go to the jobs where my guys are at and I see the phenomenal work they're doing. Today I was just at one of our commercial properties. I was looking at some of the windows they already hit, and I was just like, they're crushing it. It looks great. Like, it looks just as good as I would do. And so really pleased with that. And so then I just get to build the business. And so it feels really liberating. It feels like it took me a while to get here, but right now, man, like I am full steam ahead. I'm really hopeful for this year. I basically have a goal of doubling the business this year financially and with customer lists. And that's another piece. Another thing that Jobber is making really easy for me to do is getting my customers on recurring jobs. A piece of why we're already feeling some really strong momentum is not that I'm getting a ton of new customers right now because of the season, but all my recurring customers that are either reaching out before their plans and saying, hey, can you throw this in before our next cleaning? Or it's just the way the schedule works where boom, they popped up, $300 window cleaning, exterior, this house on Tuesday, do that after we do the commercial job. It's a customer we do every 3 months, right? Whatever. But those are things that just make you feel like it's growing, it's happening. And in the beginning, you're like, am I ever gonna get there? And I know that feeling. But if you just don't quit, you will get there. So that is a big piece of it right there. Just having the space and time to know, okay, I can work on the things the business needs me to work on. So I named a lot of good things there, and let me talk about some of the growing pains. Number one is I have a pretty good workers' comp policy, and it costs a lot of money. I had to get an agent that kind of helped me find a policy that works right for my business, and so that's just something you got to do because it's part of growing a business, right? I'm kind of bottlenecked because we have one truck, and so eventually got to get to the place where maybe we get another truck. Right now, obviously you can't see the whole thing. I'm in a pretty good sized storage facility that makes has enough room for us, but eventually, man, like we're gonna run out of space. And what do I do with the trucks? Right now, trucks parked in my house. Now, I can get a parking spot here at my storage facility for $35 for my truck, and I'm really thinking about adding that so that way my guys can come just straight here, right? And so, a little bit of growing pains that I'm also having to feel, but I don't want it to make me pull back from the idea of growing and moving forward. And so, whatever it is that is coming towards you, like opportunities, just because it seems scary and it's gonna be hard, don't not do it, right? And so like this, we had to get another water system, and so that's an expense. And so, but the good thing is, like, this is going to speed up how fast we can do these big commercial jobs and houses. And so I knew that that was the right thing to do. And so now we have two. My other one needs fixed a little bit, but eventually we'll have two water systems running, and that'll be great. And this is the Zero Pure Max, so you can actually run two hoses out of it, and so that's great. I do have to fix this little part right here, but Window Cleaner Resource is working with me and already sent me the replacements part, so like not a big deal. But that's just the way it is, you know, like there's gonna be growing pains as you're heading uphill. It's going uphill. You're gonna breathe a little harder, but it's worth the view. And so that's kind of it. As we head into 2026, I know we're in the second month already, but if that's where you're at and you're kind of thinking, man, should I hire, should I get a CRM, like all those things within your business, wherever you're at, you're gonna have to figure out for you, but for sure, pull the trigger on a CRM, whatever one works for you. But again, I love Jobber, works great for me. You can try it free for 14 days. As far as getting help, maybe get a guy to come and help you 10, 15 hours a week, kind of start training him up, see how it goes. And then slowly say, you know, for a long time, Elijah and I did jobs together. So I was training him in the field with him. And now, like, I feel really confident when they're out there cleaning. So, that's it. If you have any questions, hit me in the comments. If you want to book a call, you can go to timmyriggs.com and book a call, and we can just talk through where your business is at. If you want to reach out to Wyatt, Evovleagency, I got his link in the bottom, and that's it. So hope you have a great day. Hope you're killing it. Hope you're going for your goals and your dreams. And in the meantime, enjoy the here while you're working to get there.